Okay, so what if you could create Roblox animations at like the speed of light and import them directly into Roblox Studio without downloading a single file? That's exactly what I'm gonna show you today. So first things first, head over to nocapmocap.com and go to the generate page. You've got two options here. You can either pick from some preset prompts or just write your own. For this one, I'm making a victory emote, so let me type something in. A person does a victory emote, jumping in excitement. Okay, honestly, that's a pretty bad prompt. But here's the cool part. You don't actually need to be good at writing prompts. There's this enhance button right here, and it uses AI to rewrite your prompt so it works better with the animation model. So after I hit that, it becomes something like, a person jumps upward quickly with both feet, raising arms in celebration. Way cleaner, way more precise. All right, now for the settings. Make sure you select Roblox as your animation type. Set the duration. For a quick emote like this, 2 seconds is perfect. And if you want, you can bump the text fidelity up to like 6, which helps the animation stick closer to what you described. Then just hit generate. After a few seconds, you'll get 4 different variations. Each one interprets the motion a little differently, so just cycle through them and pick whichever one looks best to you. Now here's the easy part. Click export, then copy to Roblox Studio. That's literally it. The animation data is now in your clipboard. No files, no downloads, nothing. Open up Roblox Studio. You're gonna need a character to put this on. So go to Avatar, then Character, then block Avatar to add one. You'll also need the Blender Animations Ultimate Edition plugin. It's free. Just grab it from the Creator Store. Once it's installed, you'll see it in your plugins menu. Open the plugin, select your avatar, click Import Animation from Clipboard, paste it in, and boom! Your animation is ready to go. So yeah, that's the whole workflow. Write a prompt or let the AI fix it for you. Generate with Roblox selected. Pick your favorite variation, copy to Clipboard, and paste it into Studio. No rigging, no keyframing, no messing around with files. Just describe what you want and import it. Links down in the description if you want to try it out. Let me know in the comments what animations you end up making. I'll see you in the next one.